Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Nissan Rogue S all-wheel drive, stock number E2019A. 43,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, Arctic blue metallic in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty, seats 5, cloth interior, split seat backs fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rogue is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick with backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear. This S has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Rogue has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Rogue, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.